When is home ownership not home ownership? When it's a Sinn Féin policy. Sinn Féin actually recently set out their plans to scrap, end and restrict first-time buyer supports. And what have they proposed instead of these tried and tested schemes is just an illusion of home ownership. They call it their Programme of Affordable Leasehold Purchase Homes. And if that sounds convoluted, that's actually because it is. We don't know an awful lot about it, but what we do know is that under this scheme, you don't actually own the land your home is on. You would be restricted in who you could sell it to, and Sinn Féin will even tell you how much you can sell it for. We also know that the banks have a major concern about the scheme and can't even say if they would lend mortgages under it. Bizarrely, it also includes a salary cap of €90,000. So what does this mean? It means that a young couple earning the average wage wouldn't be eligible for one of these homes. It flies in the face of traditional home ownership, which Fianna Fáil supports.